Thank you for viewing our Heritage range. Heritage Stable is the strongest timber stabling available on the market today, with our innovative building system for easy assembly. Heritage garages benefit from outstanding design and look good in any setting. Specialist of exclusive timber structures, Classic Sheds is a small family-owned business operating from County Cork, Ireland for more than a decade. Heritage stables are delivered complete with a step-by-step guide to assembly. All timbers are marked for your convenience. Stable build. It is advisable to put a concrete block plinth under your stables. Please note that this is of extreme importance to keep posts level at all times. Always work from left to right when assembling more than one stable. Joiners are to be attached to the outer right post adjoining the following stable, as you can see from this picture sequence. This is a block of 3 stables. It is advisable to build the back, side and internal walls to 5 boards high, checking that all posts are level before continuing. Make sure all boards are compressed down firmly and butt in tightly against the posts. In these pictures you will see 2 boards. The lower board is your door lintel. This will be moved to the top of the door opening later. Placing it on the ground ensures that the door opening is exact, to enable correct fit when hanging the doors later. The second board is a roof purlin, which is laid across the floor between internal walls, ensuring a correct fit when fixing the apexes later. It is recommended that you use a breathable membrane under roof sheeting to avoid condensation. Garage build. Garage assemblies are worked off the same principle as the stable builds. Once again, it is advisable to use concrete block plinth when assembling a garage. Here you will see a canopy. It is easier to assemble and attach the canopy onto the apex working on the ground, and then fixing it into position onto posts later. Building tips. Always check the timbers resting flush on concrete plinth before continuing your build. Always ensure that your walls, planks are tightly fitted together. When assembling walls, inside joiners can be fixed when walls are complete, thereby enabling an easier and quicker build. This is however optional. Again, remember to lay out the door lintel and purlin to ensure that the doors and purlins fit correctly later. When anchoring doorposts, it is advisable to use heavy-duty wall brackets, 600 by 100 mm. When fitting purlins, fix a small piece of timber to the top of each end of the purlin. This allows the purlin to rest flush with the apex, thereby enabling a safer and easier assembly. Once the purlins are firmly screwed into place, these pieces of timber must be removed. When attaching the soffit boards for the canopy, pull a string line from one end apex to the other end apex, making sure that the middle apexes as well as the bottom of the soffit plank are touching the line. The soffit plank must be screwed to the middle of the door lintel and to the inside of the fascia board. This will ensure that your soffit boards remain level over the length of the building. When fixing the front door header, you may find on occasion that the front wall planks finish above the front door post. Should this arise, simply cut the boards that are protruding above the top of the post. Please note that this only applies to the front left and right door posts, and needs adjusting to enable correct fitting of the front header, which runs the width of the structure. Again, when fixing the back fascia board, temporarily attach pieces of timber to the apex ends. This allows the fascia to be positioned correctly before being screwed in. All screws must be fixed from the inside, remembering to make sure that your boards butt up tightly against the post. It is advisable to double screw your first, second, fifth and top wall boards. Here you can see the apex sitting on top of the post, as well as your barge rail. for roof flashing. Once again, it is advisable to use a breathable membrane to avoid condensation. When fixing your roof cover, temporarily attach pieces of timber onto either end of your apex. Onto these temporary timbers, attach a plumb line approximately 3 inches away from the side of the structure. This will ensure that your roof sheeting is in a straight line for the length of the building. We hope that this presentation will assist you in having a pleasant and successful self-build. Should you have any problems, please do not hesitate to contact us for more advice.